Now let's explore how coughing is perceived and responded to differently in Korea and the USA. Someone coughs in a cafe in the States. Instantly, you'll hear a chorus of "bless you" from around.
Bless you.
It's all about spreading good vibes and wishes for health. Switch over to a subway in Seoul and watch this. Someone coughs and it's like a silent movie. People quietly give space or sneak away, all very hush-hush. It's about respecting personal bubbles. In a US library, if someone coughs, people might look up, but life goes on. Just cover up with your elbow or a tissue, and you're the portrait of politeness. Over in a Korean office, coughing might as well be a stealth mission. Masks up, coughs down. Keeping it undercover is the name of the game here. Isn't it fascinating how a simple cough can unveil so much about culture? Drop your thoughts in the comments and share your own cough tales.